In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop cap in Microsoft Word to give your documents a creative and professional look. This simple technique can add a touch of elegance to any written work, whether you're drafting a letter, designing a newsletter, or crafting a report. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, let's open up your Microsoft Word file. It's important to have your document ready before we begin, as this feature is applied directly to the text you are working on. If you haven't created your document yet, just take a moment to jot anything down, perhaps a few lines of text or a paragraph that you can use for this exercise. Once your document is open on your screen, we can move on to the next step. Now let's navigate to the Insert tab in the Word toolbar. You can find this at the top of your screen alongside other tabs like Home and Layout. Click on Insert. This tab is packed with tools that help enhance your document's visual appeal by adding pictures, shapes, links, and more. Today, our focus will be on the drop cap feature. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the Text group. This is where you'll find the drop cap option. You'll see it represented by an icon with a large letter beside a smaller one. Go ahead and click on Drop Cap. Clicking this will give you two main options, Dropped and In Margin. For this demonstration, let's choose Dropped. By selecting Dropped, the first letter of your chosen paragraph will become significantly larger, dropping down into the lines below. This not only emphasizes the beginning of your text, but also adds a bit of flair and professionalism to your document. You might see that your text shifts slightly as the drop cap is applied. This is completely normal as Word reorganizes your text to accommodate the larger letter. If it's not exactly what you envisioned, you can easily toggle between the options to see which suits your style best. And just like that, you're done. You have successfully added a drop cap to your document. This small but impactful change can make your text more engaging, capturing the attention of anyone who reads your work. Remember, you can always adjust or remove the drop cap if you decide it's not the right fit for the rest of your document. Simply revisit the drop cap menu and explore your options. Thank you for following along with today's guide. By mastering tools like these, you can ensure that your documents always remain compelling and visually appealing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to experiment with the various designs within Microsoft Word to discover even more ways to enhance your writing.